Hello my friends, followers, listeners and dear traders, how are you all? Hope all will be fine and doing very awesome trading. Today going to show you real spike detector, and let's see how this thing gonna work. Okay, let me explain some things and let's continue this. And look here, this arrow will appear before 10 candles, before spike, and after this arrow spike will come here. Look here, this arrow will tell you spike on way. Just see next arrow, and look here guys, spike on way, spike on way. Look here guys, this arrow appeared and now spike time. Okay, and look here, spike just after 3, 4 and 8 candles spike will comes. Look here, this is arrow, and just see, look here, arrow and spike. Look here, arrow still here, so it's mean one more spike. Look here, arrow, and after 8 candles or 4 candle spike will comes. Look here, 6, 7, 8, and look here, after 8 candles a spike. Arrow still here, look here, spike, more spikes on way. Look here, how many spikes. The arrow will confirm spike on way. Look here, more spikes on way. Look here, 3 candles, arrow, just now see how spike comes. Look here, just count 8 candles. Look here, spike. Look here, spike. Look here, how many spikes. This arrow will tell you before spike. It will appear before spike, and after 4 or 8 candle spike will come. Look here, look here, after 8 candles, and look here, a signal of spike. Look here, arrow told us spike on way, place your trade. Look here, okay, count 8 candles maximum. Look here, spike. So this is the thing, a real spike detector. Look here, once arrow come, it's me. Look here, market coming down and arrow here. Look here, arrow, it's mean after 8 candles spike on way. Then look, let's see, after 8 candle, look here, spike, arrow here. Look here, again arrow, and look how many spikes, 2. Let me start again. Look here, spikes, boom thing. Look here guys, look here, arrow, and look here, after 8 candles spike. Just see, look here, how many spikes. This is awesome spike detector, profit house. Look here, before spike. Look here, this is the arrow and spike after 8 candles. 8 is maximum. Look here, spike, 2 spikes. Let's see more, see. Look here, arrow, after 8 candles spike. Let's see. Look here, spike. And arrow told is one more spike, and let's see. Arrow still here, so it's mean more spikes on way. Look here, look. Look here, arrow, more spikes on way. Look here. You just need to follow this arrow. Look here, how many spikes? Look here guys, arrow and spike, arrow and spikes. Look, look, spike, arrow, and look, see here, spike. Look here, arrow and spike on way. Look here, look how many spikes. Awesome, this is really awesome thing. Look how many